my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a video on what you are going to use to get rid of bad breath. For those of you who are suffering from bad breath, this natural remedy is gonna help you to get rid of it. Lemon, the first ingredient I'm gonna show you is lemon. Lemon help to prevent dry mouth that leads to bad breath. Okay, so the second ingredient is baking soda. Okay, baking soda is the first ingredient. Actually, the reason why I want to share this remedy with you is because my friend used this and this really worked for her. Okay, so this is it. I want to share this. Try this. Okay, I'm telling you the truth. Try this. You will get rid of bad breath. And another thing I'm gonna tell you is, when you are having bad breath, sometimes it comes from back of our tongue, sometimes it comes from the stomach. Okay, all you need to do is to try to detoxify yourself. Okay, detoxify yourself, clean all the toxins in your system, and see how it will work very nice for you. It's very good to detoxify your system every month. It's very, very nice. Stay healthy, because it's the very biggest part in the journey of life. So let's begin. All you need is to take a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, as you can see, baking soda. Then you put your lemon. This is the lemon juice. Your lemon, I want to extract it. Use the lemon, the fruit extract. I just want to extract the juice. If you don't have extractor, you can use your hand to squeeze the lemon water into the baking soda. So here you add your lemon juice. Okay, this is how it's gonna be. You see, the foam is coming up. You can see that. So what you will do, without wasting much of your time, what you will do is to let the foam to settle. Then you add in water. Okay, when you add in water, you mix it. You mix it together. This is it. You know, we don't have to wait for the foam to settle, because I don't want to waste your time. So after mixing this together, you have you take this. Okay, I think I have to show you what you have to do. I can't get to my take this, okay, before you brush your mouth. First thing in the morning, take this. Just like this, just use it to gog your mouth, okay? Leave it to stay in your throat for like 3 seconds, then throw it away before you brush your mouth. The remaining one, you make sure you put it in your fridge. Don't leave it outside, okay? Don't leave it out. Whenever you make mistake and leave this out, just do another, prepare another one for the next day, but make sure that this sits in your fridge, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this remedy with your family and share this video. Thank you.